Well, we're broke down again. This time it's a sway bar on a John Deere Gator 825. What you're gonna need is 15 millimeter socket and a 15 millimeter wrench on the back side. If you got a little electric impact, that'll work a lot better on those. Those are 15 millimeter on both sides. And then you gotta take that one loose on the other end of the sway bar. It's the same on both ends. Those are 17 millimeter. And you're gonna have to get a wrench or a tool such as a vice grip. Put it on the inside of that, otherwise that will turn. I just got done replacing this one. Be sure and check your clearances on everything. Make sure nothing's rubbing. If you hear a clunking noise, that's probably what it's gonna be, is something like this broke. You can get them off Amazon. That's where I got this one. Wasn't cheap, it's $166. But it is something you can do yourself with basic tools. I didn't even jack it up. Seems to be working right now. I drove it. Maybe it'll keep you out of the dealership. So anyway, well, it is a Gator 825. So there you go. Good luck with it.